Hello and welcome to another update video about Doge. Yeah, Doge is deep in support now here in this support zone between 12.6 cents and 21 cents. This is really the only support area I have left. The last not reliable, but the last plausible bullish scenario. But I already mentioned it earlier today on Discord. I assume that Doge is already in the bear market, so I assume it's working on the C wave down, which might take it down to 3 cents. That might mean it doesn't drop in a straight line, but the bullish count, certainly I haven't got any. After it broke below 17 cents, I did tell you already, yeah, look, I have maybe this one bullish scenario left, but it's very constructed, and idea is this is a B wave top, okay? So you could say this is formally my primary scenario, even though I'm not going to ignore the bullish potential. I just need to see if the price can react to 12.6 cents. I don't have any trust that Doge is going to do that, okay? So how would the bearish scenario play out? Well, from the all-time high, this was an A wave down, and the chart worked on a B wave to the upside, probably a WXY structure, WX. The Y wave is an A, B, C. And now we're moving down in the C wave. And we can calculate a target for the C wave decline by taking a length of measuring the length of the A wave, and then we compare it with the C wave, and the connection is the B wave. So it's an ABC structure. Whether it will ever recover and go to new all-time highs, we will have to see. This is too early to say that, to talk about that. For now, the focus is on lower prices and the 12.6 cent level. You know, we can watch for support there, but I don't have anything clearly bullish on the smaller time frame. Yeah, there was a chance for the price to turn around. It failed. It failed miserably. Okay, and yeah, again, I'm not going to give up entirely, but it would be formally an alternative scenario. Yeah, which is of course also likely. I mean, I'm not showing you unlikely scenarios. Maybe need to add that. But the thing is, which one is in control now? And it's the white count. Yeah. So out of the infinity of potentials, I'm showing you the two pathways that I find likely. But between them, white seems to be leading. Now, let's take a look at the Doge chart, shorter time frame. And here you will see that there is absolutely nothing that would suggest at this point that there's a recovery. It's rather increasing in downside momentum. Now, what sometimes happens is that you then get a quick rebound, but you see last couple of times when these sell-offs happened, which look very impulsive, the rally was not able to get above the previous high. And even now, I mean, I don't see... So the white count is obviously one that could eventually send us to 3 cents. Yeah, I mean, these could just be extensions, yeah, that are playing out here. You still see the orange support area, and you see how in the yellow count the price could potentially find support. A wave, B wave, and then in the C wave 1, 2, we're now in a third wave, then there could be another fourth and a fifth. The problem with that is that the wave 1 is so long, yeah, that based on standard Fibonacci extensions, we will likely break support. And that is what I'm using to determine, you know, which of these scenarios is it? Is it the short-term bullish one, or is it the short-term bearish one? And it seems like there's a good chance we break support, which is why earlier today on Discord I already highlighted I would not be surprised if we break support. And given that the white count is now the one that I follow primarily, this obviously makes sense. I just show you what could be support and where could the price react. But there was absolutely no reaction to the 50% retracement. So that means we can define resistance, standard Fibonacci resistance. We can say that, look, you know, this resistance area, as long as the price stays below it, there is absolutely no evidence that a low is in place. So we can use that to track lower prices, and that would be here between 19.5 cents and 22.7 cents. This would be the standard resistance area. So trend is down against that level. We can pay attention to 12.6 cents maybe for a reversal attempt, but even in the yellow count, another 4-5 pattern would be ideal. But that might only be the larger third wave, and I'm not confident about the microstructure at all, but it is something we can work with for now. That's the update about Doge. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.